Hi, my name is Caroline. I am at Sloomoo today, and I will be learning how to make butter slime.
Hi friends! We are here with our good friend Caroline. Caroline, have you made butter slime before?
Yes, I have.
Oh, she has. Alright, so we are going to get started by making some slime. We're going to go ahead and uncap our Elmer's school glue. Okay, you got your school glue?
Yeah.
And we're just going to dump that whole thing in. Yeah. Just squeeze it to get as much out as you can. And I have a question.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite, like, treat or favorite smell?
My favorite smell? I don't really have a favorite smell.
Okay, that's okay. We're gonna go find our scents. Come with me. The watermelon smells like a Sour Patch. Yeah.
Let's find it. Watermelon patch. Sniff, sniff. I actually really like that one too, so if you get it, I'll do it. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so right here we picked our scent. We went with Watermelon Patch. It smells like watermelon candy. I think it smells pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and do 2 spritz in each of our slimes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Your turn.
We're gonna mix it up. Okay, so we're also going to need some lotion, right? Essential to butter slime. We don't need this much lotion, okay? We only need a little bit. If you have a regular pump bottle, you can do like 2 pumps of lotion. But we got a big old gallon. So we're just gonna... That looks right to me. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna mix it up. This is how we get a really good base going. So we're just gonna stir it up. Does it smell good? We can go ahead and start activating. So here at Sloomoo, we sometimes get told like, oh, your slime is the best slime. And I agree. But the reason it's the best is because we are able to activate it carefully and slowly. So together, we are going to activate carefully and slowly. We're going to take our activator, open it up. We made some fresh activator, so it's all good. And we're gonna take our half teaspoon. Are you ready? And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon. I'm just gonna measure it out. Yep, go ahead. And 1 more. Perfect. And then we're gonna take our spatula and we're gonna keep on stirring. When we start making our slime, it gets kind of clumpy, a little bit weird, and sometimes new-time slimers think that they broke their slime. They did not break their slime. This is good. This means that our activator is being housed in those strands, and when those activator strands get all broken up, right, which is what we want it to do, we get a little bit closer to making slime. We need more activator in here, but we're getting close. So we just gotta mix it up and break those down as best as we can. I'm feeling good about mine. You ready to add our 2nd teaspoon of activator?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna do it together. Are you ready? Can I uncap this? No spills. No spills on my lunch. All right, ready? And 1. And I spilled 2. Mine is coming together. It looks like yours is too. So we're gonna do what we call the 1-finger test. So we're gonna take 1 finger, just 1, and we're going to slowly dip it into our slime and slowly pull it out. Aha! There are 3 options. Number 1, you could get a strand. Like this is a little bit, right? If this was all stuck, right? A big old strand. That means you need more activator. Option number 2, it doesn't have a strand, but it does get kind of stuck to you, right? That means you need just a little bit, not a lot, maybe like a splash of activator more. But what happened to us is that it didn't stick to us. It didn't come with us, right? Mm-hmm. So we're just gonna go right in with our hands. Yeah. And you're just gonna start ripping it. But I trust the process, okay? You gotta rip it, and the more you rip it, the more it's gonna come together. Yeah, you're getting it. So I have a question.
Yes.
Do you know what color you're going to make your slime? Let's look at our options. Ready? Pink. This is a nice glossy, beautiful base. Okay, so we have our colors here. What are you thinking?
I like the purple.
All right, let's crack it open. Oh, I'm gonna do yellow. There's no rule about how much clay you have to have, right? Because butter and most slime recipes are kind of about what you like, right?
Yeah.
But for me, in order to have a butter, I kind of like to start with at least as much clay as slime. So I kind of just like, this is a handful, this is a little less than a handful, so I'm gonna take just a little bit more. So we got about as much, right? And we're gonna stick them right together. Beautiful. And we're gonna mix them up. I like a little bit of a thicker butter, so I'm gonna actually add the rest of this clay. You gonna join me?
Yeah. Wait, like this?
Like your yes!
That's what I did once, but it was like I couldn't like do it. I had to go like this. I had to go. And that is how to make butter slime at Sloomoo. Like, subscribe, and comment to see more adventures at Sloomoo with me.
Hey, rest my arms. I'm getting old.